Hello everyone, welcome back, new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on your iPhone and iPad after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your iPhone and iPad setting, then scroll down, search for this WhatsApp, then tap on WhatsApp, and from here you as can see notification, tap on notification. From here you as can see allow notification toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that tap on WhatsApp notification setting, tap on this, enter your passcode. From here you as can see many option. What you need to do it, turn on all toggle, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on reset notification setting, tap on this, then tap on reset, and after that check if the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again iPhone and iPad setting, then scroll down, then tap on journal, and from here then tap on background app refresh, tap on this and search for this WhatsApp. From here you as can see WhatsApp. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and go for the last method. Open your app store, and from here you search for this WhatsApp, tap on this, tap on WhatsApp. You as can see update. What you need to do it, update your WhatsApp, and after update I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.